Think IKEA is just for college dorms? Well, think again, because today we're bringing you 21 designer-approved IKEA products that are gonna blow your mind, but not your budget. Make sure you watch until the end for the most surprising and unique IKEA item. We have saved the absolute best IKEA gem for last. So let's get going with our first group of IKEA designer-approved favorites, storage furniture.
So first up, we wanted to talk about the Perschult. This is a wall shelf that is very versatile. It is very minimalist. It is highly recommended from designer Nick Lewis, who also has a YouTube channel here on YouTube. And he recommends this shelf, and I agree with him. So it is a minimalist design. It can be in two different colors. So there's black and white or just white on white. And it's only $24, folks. And what I love about this is that you can use this in a variety of settings. So here they have it in an office, and here we have it in a living room. Here you have just the shelf. So you can kind of see the details. You also could use this in a bathroom. So that's another really great place for this. You could put that above the toilet or something like that to hold some of your things if you have a small bathroom. Next up is the Besta Series. I know I am saying that wrong, but it's Bjork Snas. And so they create here a bed frame and a nightstand as well as a dresser. But what is really cool about these are those really great leather handles. They do have the nightstand available here, so that is $129.99. And then you also can get just the little handles that you could probably put on any of the furniture. And so the reason why this is great is because of that leather handle is a very timeless design. It's high quality material. It provides very stylish storage for bedrooms and living areas. And this is recommended by Nina Takesh as well as Decor. Next up for storage furniture is FAL King. So this is a shelf unit and you can buy it with drawers. And I think what makes this really special is it's very minimalist. You know, it has like this white look. It's very large. You could put several of them together. And what's great about it is those very clean lines. And again, versatility. You could use it in a variety of ways. You could put it in for kitchen storage. You could put it in a pantry. You could put it in an office. You could put it in a closet. So I love how versatile it is. This is recommended by both Nick Lewis and Elle Magazine, and it's perfect for displaying books, plants, or other decorative items if you want that super modern design look. Next up is the Tarva Series. So what I love about this is that you can customize the heck out of these. So there is chests of drawers, there's a bigger chest, there's a tall chest, there's also beds, there's a nightstand. So what is great about this, you can stain it and it's real wood. So you can paint it and then you could repaint it, or you could stain it and then you could paint it, and you could literally change it every year if you wanted to. And these are super affordable at $179.99 for this great 3-drawer chest. And that is recommended by Nick Lewis as well as myself. And again, it's real wood, which is amazing. So you can refinish it a number of times. Next up is Besta. So the Besta series is amazing, and you literally can customize it and make it exactly how you need it. So you can put a bunch of these on the wall like here, and you can literally make it look built in. You could make your TV look built into your wall by just putting in a ton of these Besta units. And what I love about them is they have glass fronts, they have solid fronts. You could put handles on them. You know, I have a Besta here, and so I love it because you also could use it as a sideboard. You could use it as an entertainment center. It's very, very versatile. So next up for storage furniture is Ivar. So this one is recommended by a lot of different designers. I think it's because the real wood allows you to basically refinish it, stain it, and paint it. So you can literally change it to fit any design style, any decor. Here is one that is a 2-section shelving unit with cabinets for $310. And the other thing that designers love about this is how versatile it is. You could use it in a pantry, you could use it in an office, You could even use it in a closet. Next up is the Malm, and the Malm dressing table, to be exact. A lot of designers, especially ones from My Domain and Elle Magazine, love this because it's a great makeup table. It is a great place to do your glam and everything. And it's just very clean lines, and it has that little bit of storage underneath that it is just perfect for a dressing table like you see here. And the price is right. It's only $129.99. And so that is one of these things that you could get this, and it can go with a variety of decor. You could use it as a desk. You also could use it, like I said, as a dressing table. So next up, we're going to move on to sofas and beds. We have up first is the Morabo, which is a sleeper sofa. I think it's really cool. It's kind of a Mad Men style. This one is in a leather, a brown leather. They also have a black leather. And what's great about this is actually a very stylish sleeper sofa. So if you need extra place for guests to sleep, like I do, this would be a great option that is extremely stylish and tons of designers are recommending. And the other thing that's great about this is it also comes in different finishes. So it has fabric finishes as well, and it has all different kind of colors, gray and black. And here you can see the leather ones are $16.99 and the other ones are more like $11.99. So they can be more affordable if you get the fabric options. Next up for IKEA sofas is the Soldering Ham Series. And these are modular sofas that you can basically customize to fit any shape of living room or living space or wherever you want to put them. And they are recommended from designers like Lone Fox. So this one, you can see it has a corner piece. You can put all the different pieces together. You can put a chase. It comes in different colors. I mean, this thing is very versatile, and each piece, it looks like it's around $300 to $600. So you can get a variety of different shapes and sizes. And I just wanted to show you guys all the different colors that are available for the Soldering Ham sofa. So this is something that literally, whatever your design style, whether it's eclectic and you want something more feminine, you want something beachy with the teal, you literally can get pretty much any color on the sofa, and it'd be great for making your decor look more expensive, more luxurious, and more custom by getting it custom to fit your room. Next up is the Hemness Bed. So this bed is very, very popular with IKEA, and there's a really good reason. It has a very timeless style. And the other great thing about this is actually real wood, so you could paint it. So even if you don't like the color it's in, you can always paint it. Looks like it's available from some different colors in this day bed, which is really awesome. It has that yellow color, and then it has, bigger beds. It has smaller beds, all kinds of beds. I have this one for my kid. And so I think it's white right now. I'm thinking when he's a little bit older, we might paint it to black or gray. So it really can grow with your child. It does come in this darker color as well. And this is something that's just really timeless. Next up in our chairs and benches section is the Bond Holman. This is a rocking chair that is only $119 right now, and you can use it outdoors. What I love about this is it's actually very versatile. You could use it in any kind of decor. So if you're doing more of that modern farmhouse, if you're doing just modern and quiet luxury, eclectic, really any kind of decor, you could put a cushion on this, you can paint it. So that's what's great about this, and the price, right? What's great is it actually is going to be something that is timeless, and you could really use it to make your outdoor space really amazing. You could even use it indoors as well because it looks very sturdy and durable. So it'd be great maybe in a kid's room with some cushions. So next up is the Vedpo. This is a high back armchair, and it comes in different colors. It's recommended by Design Daddy, who is another amazing interior designer here on YouTube. And I love this. It is $449, and it comes in all these colors. So it has the gunmetal blue, it has dark gray, it has this really cool light brown pink that I think would go really well with a light wood. And then it has like it says gunner red light green. So this is really cool because it's got those really curved modern arms. It's got the high back so you can rest your head against it. It would be great in a reading nook or maybe in kind of a library study den kind of place. Next up is the ORF Jaw. This is a swivel chair, and what I really love about this is that it comes in fun colors. So it has a dark blue color. It also has a red color, red and black, and it also has the gray. And it's also only $69.99. So that is an amazing deal for a great office chair. A lot of times office chairs can be several $100s, and it adds a touch of fun, but it's also very modern. And this is highly recommended by publication like Elle magazine. So for benches, one of my all-time favorites is definitely the Skagsta. So this is an acacia wood bench, and it is a natural wood, and it is gorgeous, guys. It's 95 bucks, and you literally could put it in Scandinavian design, Japandi design, all different kinds, modern, rustic, all different kinds of design styles this bench is going to go with. And it's pretty narrow. It's great for an entryway bench to be able to take off your shoes, put your shoes underneath like you see here, or really just put it anywhere. You could put it in a bedroom. You could use it for a dining table and sit on it, while you're dining. So I love this bench. It does look like it's a last chance to buy. So you better hurry up to Ikea and get the Skagsta. So now we're going to get to the really fun stuff, the accessories and the decor and things like that. And we're going to start with the Ranarp. This is an amazing little lamp. It's a work lamp that would look great in either a bedroom or a office. And the reason why designers love this is because of the cool brass accents that are on there. And it looks very vintage, maybe even industrial. And it, again, would go with a variety of different design styles. And it is recommended by Amber Interiors as well as My Domain. Next up is the Kavarnvik storage box with lid, and there's a gray or a beige color, and these will literally go with everything, guys. This is only $18.99, and you can see here they have them in here. You could put them in living room. You could hide toys. You could hide magazines or something in the living room if you have a shelf. You can use it as an office. You can put it in a kid's room. Like literally you could put these anywhere. The next up in our accessories is the Ditag linen curtains. So linen curtains are really amazing because they give that natural material look to a room, which is really timeless and elegant and stylish. And it comes in a dark beige, it comes in blue, they come in gray green, and they come in a classic white, which again is very timeless. And what is special about these, they are pretty long. They're 98 inches long. They're $75 for one pair. What I would do is double them up. And I also would do kind of like how they have here and make those pleats. So if you add those pleats and actually put them on curtain hooks, it will give your room a very custom and high-end feel in terms of the window treatments. So next up, I wanted to show you one of my favorite items that I personally use is the Magical room darkenings curtains. So these are a light gray, but this is not really light gray. This is more like a grayish. It can read beige or gray. And what I love about these is they're room darkening, and I use them, and they're seriously room darkening. Like they work. So you have like a standard height ceiling, and you put them in a rod that's like almost to the ceiling. They literally will look amazing, and they'll puddle slightly on the floor, which I am team puddle. I don't know if you are team kiss the floor or be slightly above the floor. Let me know in the comments below, because that is something that I really like these curtains for, because they will puddle on the floor. And also what I always do is I double them up, and I also hang them because they have these things. I get the curtain hooks and the curtain rings, and then you can basically create pleats in them, which gives you that really custom high-end look. And these are available in pink and in a mustard yellow and that light gray, which I'm telling you is a grayish, and it can read beige as well. Next up, I put this as an accessory because I would probably use this to display different objects and things like that, but it's the Vedo Armchair. So this is a shelving unit, and it has a brown and black finish that is metal, and then it has a glass shelf. It also comes in white. What is great about this is because it's metal, you actually could paint it and change it to a different decor style. You could paint it gold, you could paint it silver, you could do glitter. And a designer named Nina Takesh, who also has a YouTube channel here, she highly recommends this. And I am going to say I agree with her that I think that this is a great accessory, and it's something that can hold your accessories. It can hold different baskets. It could hold those baskets we saw earlier. Next up is the Moss Landa, and this is a picture ledge. It comes in different colors. It's only $14.99, which is an absolute bargain. And guys, this is something that's so versatile. You can hold pictures, photos, family photos. If you want to add some personality to your space, you can hold art. You can do so many different things with this. And so I think you could put this in any room of your house. You could put it in an office, you could put it in a living room, and even in a bedroom, and really make your space very unique and special and display your art and your photos. So here is the most surprising IKEA find that I could find for you guys, and it is the Mark Frost. So this is very unique. It's highly recommended by Nina Takesh, who's an interior designer here on YouTube. And it's because it is marble and it is very chic and it's very affordable. So it's $24.99, and you can get it with all these really cool bulbs. And so it really, you could put it in something that's a traditional room because it has that marble look. You could also put it in something that's a modern room, or if you're doing quiet luxury, you really could put it in any kind of room. It's super chic, super surprising that they would have something this awesome at IKEA. But, you know, they always continue to surprise us. And I think you could use this in a desk or on a desk or in a living room. You could put it on a side table. You also could put it in your bedroom. So that is all of our different 21 ideas that we had from IKEA, recommended from interior designers. And if you love this video, make sure you watch this one right here next.